Okay, we're going to be trying to get one of these sleeves out today so we can measure it and figure out what size we need. I'm fairly certain I know what size these are, but you don't want to order the wrong stuff. So I'm going to try to do it the way I saw somebody else do it on YouTube with a screwdriver, because I do not have a puller, so we'll see if that works. Got an assortment of screwdrivers here. We'll see if we can get one of these started. And that one might be a little small. Let's try this one. And switch to a longer screwdriver here because it'll be easier to get down in here. See if we can. There we go. Wow, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So it looks like when it comes out, that's pretty simple. I guess the screwdriver method is the easiest way. You don't need a puller. Put this over here next to the pistons. See if we can get another one going. Start with the small screwdriver and see what happens. Okay, we got sort of started. This light out of the way a little bit from my perspective. And this one. Lights in my way. Sorry. Okay, switch to a longer screwdriver here. Get the light back here where you guys can see what's going on. Just need it to not be in my way. Stay where I put you. Okay, this one is now. This light is just causing all sorts of problems here. There we go. That'll work. And then do this in another spot. There we go. Sleeve number 2. Man, this ain't that hard. That was actually pretty easy. I hope they go in that easy. Let's give you a little better view here. Let's do a third one. Okay, I'm gonna have to move, guys. You're in my hammering way. Switch to the longer screwdriver. I'm not going to need these short ones anymore. Do this and then come on. It's okay. Sleeve number 3. Ooh, that one's burnt. This thing has been burning oil for a long time, so that's kind of expected. Still pretty easily done. I don't know if these are the original sleeves or not. This thing's like 70 years old. Don't know if these are the cast iron ones or if they're stainless steel. They kind of look like stainless, but they're breaking like cast iron, which is weird. Okay. See if we can get this third one out. Come on. Okay, so we got it started. Maybe. There we go. Switch to the longer screwdriver now. We will have to hone out these cylinder walls before we put the new sleeves in, but I do not have a cylinder hone right now, and I just want to see what size of sleeve I need. Well, she's loose, but I gotta take this bolt out. It's just kind of our safety net here in case something would happen that's holding up the tractor. There's the fourth sleeve. Well, let's go measure them and see what we're looking at. Guessing these are going to be 40,000 sleeves, but we will see. Where's we got, well, it depends on where we measure, but 0.038. So they got about, well, that one wasn't bad. That's 0.041, depending on where you measure it. 0.036. Yeah, these things are ready to go. But this tells me I need to, that's 0.037. Well, I moved it, but 38. Like I said, it just depends on where you're measuring it and how you're holding it. Let's check the last one here on camera and we'll see what we get. There's the last sleeve, and yeah, 0.03355. So they got some wear. Measure up at the top and see what it measures at. 0.0345, 340. Yeah, they were worn out. They need to be replaced. But now I can actually put in the order for the rebuild kit that I need, which is going to have new pistons. Because when we're taking these out, we don't know how it didn't damage any. Well, it might have damaged it, but when we're taking these out, look at this. One of these pistons was chipped, and it's just not cost effective to try to you know, fix that or reuse it. So we're going to replace them. These pistons are pretty burnt anyway. If you look at them, they got a lot of wear on them. They don't exactly measure round, so it's best just to replace them. Well, that's basically all I got for right now, but if we do anything else with the tractor, I'll turn